Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that, yes, today, Sunday, June the 18th, 2023, we will have a Stephen and Walter live. As you can see, we are back home from our trip. And we're going to talk a little bit about the trip, highlight a few things that we found that we enjoyed, some things we didn't enjoy, and we're going to answer some questions that were asked during the trip about, how we plan a trip, why we didn't do this, why we did that, that kind of thing. Plus all the other usual things we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about the quilt show a little bit that we went to in Halifax. Going to talk about some of my acquisitions as well while I was out there and the people we met. So today's jam-packed with all kinds of stuff, sort of a catch-up series since we haven't been able to do one of these types of lives in several weeks. So that's today at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, and it is Sunday, June the 18th, 2023. I hope you can join us. See you later.